Oh, there's got to be an easier way than this. I hate doing the washing up. There's got to be a solution. Of course there is. Buy a dishwasher. Now I bought it. Let's get it unboxed. And this dishwasher has been long awaited. This one has. Because of its capabilities of what it can do. So I'll quickly get it unboxed. And I'll tell you. This is... been wanting one of these for a long time. It's a Cookology dishwasher. The best thing about this one is that there's no plumbing required. It has an onboard water tank. And since I live in a shared house, which I do, all I have is this little bit of a kitchen here, which isn't a lot, which is a mess. So when they brought this one out with an onboard water tank, that was excellent, because it'll just sit on the unit. Instructions. I'll get to them in a minute. Polystyrene, which I bloody well ate. And there's the unit itself. I'm going to bring it out, get it on the bed. Get the camera set up properly. Just reset the camera up on the tripod, then we'll get into it. Oh, where are you? A bit far away over there, aren't you? Bring it a bit further forward. So as you can see, first impressions, apart from the reflection, it's got this rose gold on the front. Everything's in the dishwasher itself. Let's see if I can, what's the serial number? Dishwasher, it's CMDW 25L. Let's see if I can get this ripped open in a second. Noise consumption 58 decibels, 2 people, A rating, oh no it's not, it's a CMDW 2GD Cookology with the rose gold front and the white. And the best bit is the water tank on top. Don't know if you can see that. I'll try and peel this sticker off. There it is. You put your water into there, so you don't have to plumb it in. Get the end stuck, and that just sits back on top once you've done. For a guy who lives on his own, this invention is brilliant. Let's set this down. Let's get this route open. It's a bit high up, but never mind. See if I can pull that into shot a bit more for you. Right, that's a bit out of focus, but never mind. There we are. Oh, beautiful. So inside, more polystyrene. Let's get rid of that. I hate this sticky tape stuff. Hose pipe, just in case you do want to plumb it in. You can plumb it in if you want, but you don't need to. Something dropped on the floor, I don't know what that was. Oh, that's just for the salts, don't need that. Ah, drain hose, need that. And they're providing me with a jug so I can fill it up at the back. It's only a small one though, 1.8 litres. That's alright. And they provided me with a fruit bowl. Because apparently you can wash your fruit in it when you bring it back from the supermarket, and it goes in the dishwasher. There's the tray, copper wiring stuck around it. There it is. There's the tray. In and out, in and out. Just take it so you can have a quick look in. Propeller. Take it, you put your tablet in there. Salt in there. It's all plastic. That comes off to clean out. Yeah, that's just a filter to stop all the food. But yeah, there it is. Cookology countertop dishwasher with onboard water tank. I'm going to cut this video short here because it's already nearly 10 minutes, but I'm going to do another video getting it set up and putting it on a cycle just to test it out. That'll come in part 2. See you on the next one.